Have you ever noticed how often people push so-called treats on us? A donut in the office, a cake at a birthday party, candy in the checkout line, and we call them treats like they're special, like they're gifts to ourselves. But here's the truth. Most of the time, those treats don't treat us well at all. They hijack our energy, mess with our nervous system, and leave us craving more. Today, I want to talk about why treats aren't really treats, how to handle the pressure when people offer, and how to fix the inside so we don't fall victim to every passing urge. Let's talk about this word treat. The word treat makes us think of a reward, something that adds joy or pleasure. But when the reward leaves us sluggish, guilty, or stuck in the same cycle we're trying to break, was it really a reward? True treats should make you feel nourished, proud, or cared for. Think of rest, time with a friend, a walk outside, or even a warm cup of tea. That's what a treat really is. When we reframe food like donuts, soda, or candy, rather than labeling them as bad, we can just be honest. They're engineered products that don't serve our best health. That honesty gives us the power to step back. One of the hardest parts isn't just our own cravings, it's the offers from others. Someone brings in homemade cupcakes into the break room. Come on, try it. I made it. It's my special recipe. It's my favorite. Or when we're out with friends, come on, just one drink. When we're working on cutting things out that don't serve us, saying no can feel really awkward. But here's the reframe. When you politely resist, you're not just rejecting the food, you're saying yes to your bigger goals. You could say things like, thanks, but I'm good right now. That looks delicious and I really appreciate it, but I promised myself I'd hold off for today. Or you can even try humor. If I start with one, I'll end up stealing the whole tray, so I'll pass. Practice these ahead of time, so when the situation comes up, you're not caught off guard. You'll sound confident, not defensive or kind of unsure about yourself. Here's the thing. Urges come from the inside. It's the truth that no one talks about. It's not willpower. If we rely on willpower, eventually it cracks. Urges that we get are signals from the inside, your brain, your nervous system, even your emotions. Food companies have designed products to light up your reward pathways, making it even harder. So if you want lasting change, you have to fix the inside. That means calming your nervous system, addressing stress, and creating new patterns in your brain. Think about when you're stressed or anxious. Your body wants quick energy, quick comfort. If you don't regulate that state, those urges can feel overwhelming. But if you can slow your breathing or shift your focus, the urge often passes within just a few minutes. So here's the big thing. Gentle nervous system regulation is the key. The more balanced your body feels, the less intense the urge feels. Let's practice some simple breathing techniques. Inhale for a slow count of 5, then exhale for a slow count of 5. Do that for just a few minutes, and you literally shift your body out of the stress mode into balance. You can try this one. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. This trains your brain to sit with calm pauses, which translates into being able to sit calmly with urges. All right, check in, ask yourself, am I actually hungry or am I bored, stressed, or seeking comfort? Then take a pause, and this pause creates power. These techniques aren't about fighting the urge, they're about neutralizing it. You calm the storm so you can make a choice from your higher self, not from the craving. So next time someone offers you a cookie or you feel that late night pull towards the pantry, remember, treats aren't really treats if they don't serve your body and your goals. Resisting isn't about saying no forever. It's about saying yes to that version of you that feels strong, energized, and in control. Focus on fixing the inside, calming your nervous system, building resilience, and the outside choices become much easier. That's how you win over urges for good. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe, share this with someone who struggles with cravings, and drop a comment about what your true treat is. I'd love to hear.